This is Angie by the Babbling Brook. Just a short video. It's so beautiful here. The Banshee by the Babbling Brook. A genuine question to the good guys on Gardeshire Corner. Would you rather bust currently operating Hellfire Clubs or whistleblowers? You know, one is easier. Obviously it's easier to grab me, but it's more important. Look, it's so stunning. It's more important to bust the currently operating Hellfire Clubs. Starts so innocently with a swingers club and wow, absolutely stunning. Obviously it all needs cutting back, like my garden and my field. Everything's like wild at the moment. But beautiful. So I say bust the Hellfire Clubs that start innocently as swingers and involve, like Diddy and Epstein, you know, secret cameras and blackmail and depravity and demon possession. Okay, on a lighter note, I walked on the grass barefoot. I'm doing a lot behind the scenes. I'm really guilty. I'm really sad. I need to do a YouTube update. Like the trolls are salivating at the prospect of like me being nabbed. But you know, I think they're going to be disappointed. Here we go. Wow, 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 wow. Let's go stop.